Hi everyone, you are welcome once again to my channel. Okay, if today is your first time of coming across my video, you are really welcome. And for my returning subscribers, I say kudos to you. I appreciate you so much. Thanks for all the likes, thank you for the comments, thank you for the share. Okay, looking at it, I made this beautiful foamy laundry bar soap with 100% tallow. I mean 100% tallow. I then added foam booster to it. Okay, without any PKO, no PKO involved, and yet it lathers so well. Can be used for your dishwashing, your clothes, and everything. It's so beautiful and it's so mild on the hands. It's not harsh, it's not biting. Okay, once again, let me remind us of my online classes. My number is written on the screen. You can contact me. Okay, so let's quickly dive into it. You can see how it's foamy. It lathers so well, so you can make your soap with 100% tallow. Let's get into it. Okay, you can see it. This is the batter. This one is called batter. It's after the lye and the oil had been mixed together. So this is how it will turn out to be. Wow, this is my tallow oil. Okay, the tallow oil is melted, of course. It's melted, of course. So, and then you can see how clear it is. Make sure the tallow oil you are using is clean and is odorless. Yes, in my other video you will see I remove tallow oil odor. Okay, you can go through the videos. You can see the two methods I put there in removing odor from the tallow oil. So what you see me mix is the caustic soda with the foam booster. Why did I do that? I don't want excess water, you know. Booster has its own water, and so the caustic, I just added it to my booster. And you remember in the foam booster we have the sulfuric acid, we have the other foaming agents there, and of course these are the recipe I'm using: 150 gram of tallow oil, 20 gram of caustic soda, and then 100% of a foam booster, and the fragrance to go with it, and the color, your choice. The choice of your color comes into play here. Okay, you can see what I'm doing. I'm mixing my oil with the caustic and then foam booster. You can see it, how creamy it is. It's coming out very beautifully. Please do mix it. Do stir it very well so that it is well incorporated. Okay, so don't forget to join my online class. Reach me with the number on the screen. Okay, so this is the batter. There are three traces. I've always said stages. There are three in trace in soap making. Okay, the first one is the light trace, and the second one is the medium trace, and the third one is the thick trace. As much as possible, stay in the middle trace before you mold your soap. So what you saw me pour is the silicate. Okay, sodium silicate. Okay, because I want the soap to bring that shining look, and then a little more of it. Okay, and so you should make sure you stir it very well to make sure everything is well together. Okay, so that the oil doesn't settle, and let there be no separation in your soap making. Okay, don't let there be any oil separation. You know, if it's not well mixed, it might lead to separation of your soap and the oil. Water in one side, soap in one side, and all those kind of things. Don't forget to reach me on my line written on the screen. Okay, and then so the next thing I'm going to be doing now, it will depend on what you want, and that is okay, of course I will be adding my color next. Then you have to be very careful of what you put. Okay, the color, it depends on the color you want. That's your choice, your desired color. like I've always advised, drop your color little by little, because by the time the soap is curing, the color comes out more. So don't say it's the way you want the color to be is what you are going to put during this your mixing during time. Okay, because when it's curing, the color comes out. You can see how light it is, and eventually when it was unmolded, like what you saw in the past, in the earlier side of the video, it became very pink. So just watch the way you put it. So I'm still putting my color and then stirring the old batter. Okay, please don't forget to like it. Just click on that like button, thumbs up. If you're yet to subscribe, please do subscribe and give constructive comments. Each time you like it, it makes the video to go to other people that also need it. Please don't keep it to yourself. Let others hear about it. Thanks so much for staying till now. That you stay till now, I'm encouraged. Okay, so just check my other videos and do likewise. Okay, what you saw me drop is the fragrance. The fragrance depends on what you want, the type of fragrance. It could be lavender, it could be any kind of fragrance you want. Thanks so much for staying tonight. I appreciate you. So make sure once it's beginning to form medium trace, please, it is time for you to mold it. Okay, you can see me removing all the one by the side to make sure nothing wastes. Okay, nothing wastes. It's already forming medium trace, so I don't want it to be thick before I turn it. So it's time to mold it. So I'll be using this my tutorial cup to mold it. These are my tutorial cup. If you look at it, I found out that it was a bit watery, so I had to return it. I had to remix it, and eventually I got it in this one cup of my tutorial class. Thanks so much. See you in my next video, and then when it's unmolded, we will all see it fine, beautiful. It's unmolded. I will see how it came out beautifully. You see, beautifully. Then you do the testing, test it. And remember, you cannot use it immediately, despite it's foaming now. Still allow it to cure. Allow your soap to cure for at least 3 to 4 weeks. Bye. See you next time on my next video.